So in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to change the board on chess.com. Now, when you're new to chess.com, then you have this default green board with this black and white 2D pieces. Now, to change the board, the first thing you have to do is go to the settings. Okay. Now, two ways to do this. You can either click on the settings icon somewhere here or on the left hand side, this panel right at the bottom here, you should see settings. So click on that, and then that takes you to the settings page where you'll find board and pieces. Click on that, and then go to board and click on this drop down arrow, and there are plenty of boards you can choose from. So these are all boards that you can scroll and see what they look like. You can actually see a preview right here in real time showing you what the board will look like. So just go trying different boards. I'll just go for this, the walnut board, this one right here, and then click on save at the bottom, and that's going to save your board. So now when you go back to the play page, you should see you now have a different board. And that's basically how you can change the board on chess.com. Thanks for watching and good luck.